Hello, we're PAPAGO Real Estate. Today we're gonna introduce our room support service and company information. We operate a real estate business in Taipei and having been established for over 10 years. Our services are popular and used by many clients from all over the world.
Our office is located near Songjian Nanjing Station in Taipei. If you ever have any questions or concerns, you are always welcome to visit our office in person for a consultation. Our company is officially licensed to operate as a real estate agency in Taipei, and we also have staff members who hold individual real estate license. You can browse property listing on our website. You can search by station name or set your preferred rent range. So please feel free to use these filters to find the property you like and contact us anytime. In this video, we will show you the kind of rooms we can introduce to you. Now, let us show you what rental properties in Taiwan are like.
Most of the apartments in Taiwan came with all of the furniture like bed, table, chair, and air conditioner, TV, and the mini refrigerator, so you don't need to buy by yourself.
In many apartments, the bathroom is designed as a unit bathroom like this. There is a washing machine in this space and you can hang laundry here.
If you live in share house, you can use these kind of share space like kitchen and also the refrigerator and water salver, and yeah, you can do anything in this share space. All the complicated procedures and communication with landlords are handled entirely by our staff.
Our staff can speak English and Chinese, and we hold local real estate qualification. And when you're in trouble, you can feel free to ask us about a solution in English.
We have many other properties available in addition to the one featured in this video. Check the link in the description for more details.